Hello, families. Welcome to homework help number 1. If you had your child come to school today, you should have received this folder. This is their homework folder, and this will be given every Monday. It is expected to be turned in every Friday. What you will find inside the homework folder is a brief little letter that gives a description on the expectations. You'll have language arts and math given Monday and through Thursday. Please set some time for homework daily. Please provide a quiet area and definitely celebrate when your child has completed his or her homework. Again, you get it Monday. It will be returned every Friday. Also, what you will find in the homework packet is a newsletter. I hope to make a newsletter every week. This week, some events that we have are Rainbow Day on the 29th, a reminder of September 1st, no school for Labor Day, and Picture Day coming up on the horizon September 9th. Again, homework's due every Friday. We give you breakfast every day. Be on the lookout for details. This week in class, we are focusing on letters T and P and the sounds that they make. Our sight words are to, play, see, for, and we are learning letters versus words. In math, we want to count and write from 0 to 5 and work on our colors. You will also see that here, a breakdown of what we're working on in our classroom. All right, so let's dive in, shall we? If we open up, we have a story. Your students are not expected to read yet, but we can help them through it. In my classroom, I say first things first, you write your name. So that's what they will be expected to do is write their name before they do anything else. I will read this to them. I will challenge them to find those sight words that we have been learning in the classroom, and they can go ahead and circle those. They may not recognize them all yet, but this practice will help them spot them as we learn. Just going through. All right. So here we go. The night before school. 'Twas the night before school, and in their beds, little Jim and Tam were snuggled up to rest. They were all excited to start the new year. They were all ready to learn with cheer. Tam dreamed of new classmates and friends. Jim dreamed of fun science experiments. When the morning came for Jim and Tam, they were ready to go to school with a bam. There you go. All right, let's turn the page. And what is next? You're going to write your name. You will write your first and last names. Practice makes perfect. Now, I talked about this at back to school. It says write the sentence below. Again, make sure you start with the capital and period or uppercase and period. Now, it might be hard for our students to copy on their own, so they have permission to just trace this. Parents, if you can help them read the sentence so they know how to color it, that might help them understand their color words a little bit better. And I will read the sentence now. See the yellow and red apples. So you'll want to color those apples red and yellow. How many words are in the sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many letters? Oh my goodness, so many letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I may have miscounted, but I did my best. Circle the word see, and then finally underline the words yellow and red. And you may want to do that with the color that you are going to have for that color word. So maybe yellow and red can be yellow and red. Practice writing your name. You can write that. You're going to practice writing these letters on your own 6 times. So we have T, P, and N. Write the numbers. They're up here. You can do them on the bottom on your own. I want to see you practice. Moving on. Again, write your name. You can write your first name twice or your first name on one space and your last name on the other. Again, some letters that we're going to be working on in the classroom. Make 6 times practice and write your numbers 1 to 10. And finally, you're going to practice some of your sight words. I, a, the, to. These sight words we learned last week. How many apples are in the 10 frame? 3. Draw 5 yellow circles. I want you to show me what 5 looks like. And then with your parent, you're going to practice saying the letters T, P, N, A, M, T, and go on your own. And then go ahead and circle uppercase letters. Uppercase letters frequently touch the top and bottom lines. Those are uppercase. We should know today that that is a lowercase t. So have your parents help you with upper and lowers. And other than that, that is our weekly practice. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you in the classroom.